Let me introduce you to the sights, hikes, and adventures and ride-or-die backroads in southeast Utah. Base Camp, Blanding, Utah. Number 1, the Blanding Visitor Center to gather maps, history, and details to be better prepared for this adventure of a lifetime. Number 2, strike out on the Bicentennial Highway that opened in 1976 to reach dream locales, starting with number 3, Butler Wash Ruins, a grand overlook, and there's even a path to get on top of the time-worn ruins. Then, a slick rock hike reaches number 4, Cave Tower Ruins, which does require a high clearance vehicle, while others might prefer number 5, House on Fire Granaries, a sunlit dependent trail to ruins that crisscross a watery wash. Number 6, Mule Canyon Interpretive Site grants easy access to a great kiva just along the Bicentennial Highway. Number 7, the Cedars Hole in the Rock Pioneers Pathway, to walk part of this historic trail that stretched from St. George to established Bluff, Utah. Number 8, Natural Bridges National Monument is the Grand National Park unit to trek 3 plunging trails to the underside of massive natural bridges. Plus, there are petroglyphs and ruins at this park. Number 9, you will be weaving in and out and through the expanding and now contracting Bears Ears National Monument that once incorporated all the land that wasn't under other jurisdictions in this massive region. Take the dirt pull-off to view number 10, Jacob's Chair, and you can also reach the graves of a cowboy and an Army scout that were killed at the Battle of Paiute Pass. Then only the brave will attempt number 11. It's a ride or die. You'll reach the saddle of Blue Notch Road in Blue Notch Canyon. Then returning to Blanding for some sanity, we will go to number 12, Edge of the Cedars State Park. Find the state's distinguished collection of pottery, effigies, and relics of ancestral pueblones. Maybe more exciting is what's outdoors. Climb inside the Chacoan Great House Kiva and walk a path to an incredibly designed sun marker sculpture which replicates an archaeoastronomy site. Northward, reach number 13, Monticello Visitor Center to gather more details on road conditions, more history, and we found the lady at the counter in a creative native dress. Cut through number 14, the Manti-La style National Forest on the back road Heart's Draw to reach number 15, Newspaper Rock Petroglyphs, one of the easiest and most popular. Westwardly, follow along stunning Highway 211 to gaze amazed at number 16, Indian Creek Recreation Area's towering walls in Donnelly Canyon. You will be getting to the icing on the cake. Number 17, the Needles District of Canyonlands National Park. There you'll find amazing views, indigenous storehouses, ladders to a cave spring, and all that you can imagine canyon country to be. More details with day-by-day excursions and exploration to these 17 dynamic destinations from Base Camp Blanding will be coming in the next several weeks. Thank you for subscribing and tapping the like button. Flip-flops on the ground, unclassic road trip, and always, I appreciate your comments. Remember, we are guests of these cultural and geographic gems.